Hello friends, in this video we are going to cover how to manage your orders and invoices that are basically happening through your customers. So let's say whenever your customer is actually placing an order, where do you actually view those orders, manage those orders, view the invoices, as well as manage their shipping status. So let's directly dive in. All the orders that we've been doing in the test mode, they start appearing out here. So you go to your orders, they'll start appearing here. As you can see that we've placed 2 orders till now. You can filter those orders by order status as well as by order value and payment type. Let's understand these orders first. So as you can see that the customer details appear here. The number of items and the item images, at least the first 4 item images, start appearing here. The placed on date starts appearing here, as well as you can see whether the customer was a guest checkout or a regular checkout. Then the status of the payment appears here. When it says placed, that means that the shipping status is just as placed. The amount is here. The payment method is out here. So the first one is COD. The second one was a paid customer, so it is paid. So it will start appearing here. Let's say if we want to actually view the details of this invoice, we can just go into view invoice out here and look at the entire invoice, print this, as well as if you want to share this invoice, you can then share this invoice with the customer. Now, if we want to actually manage the status, all we need to do is, let's say, accept the order, say it will take 5 to 10 days to deliver, place it. And when we do this, what we'll see is a WhatsApp message starts appearing. This is a very easy way in which you can share the status of your order or status of the shipment with your customer. So you can just click on share on WhatsApp. This will open up your WhatsApp web account on the browser itself, and it will actually try sending these details to your customer. And when I close this, you can see that the status has been changed to accepted and delivers in 5 to 10 days, it is saying. The next what you can do is either you can ship the order or cancel the order. I'll ship the order, and here you can put in the tracking number. And again, you can share the status. We are not going to do that, and it's going to show you the tracking number. Now, it is very important to understand that this tracking number is only for you. It does not do anything more than that. This is only for you, and obviously in the message you can append the tracking number for your customer as well. Then we can either mark it as delivered or we can mark it as returned. So let's say I mark it as delivered. Then again, I can share this WhatsApp message. But once we've done that, you'll not be able to further change the status from here. What are the other options that we can use? What we can do is we can create a payment link. Now this was a COD order, so you can create a payment link from here directly so that you can get payments on a different manner from the customer. Like basically they've placed the order, and if you want that the customer should pay up even before you actually ship the product out, after confirming the order, you can actually do it from get payment link. You can even update the order, but again, it is very important to understand that you can update the order only for a COD order, which is a cash on delivery order. This update order does not appear in a paid order because the customer has paid for the entire order in full. Send WhatsApp will basically just try to send this WhatsApp, and it will open up on your WhatsApp web, and it will try to send the details of this order to your customer. And resend order email will send out the order email to the customer once again. So let's say if the customer says that please can you send the email of the order again, the confirmation email of the order again, you can do it from right here. So this is basically how you actually manage your orders from one place. Thank you.